going on, guys? It is the third video of the channel and I'm super excited about this one. It's a little unorganized, but I kind of just figured out that it is really hard to film while you're at events. Before, I was literally recording with a selfie stick, and I got a pretty cool setup. I have a tripod now, adjustable selfie stick, as you would say, but it has like a little adapter on it for like a GoPro. I got a holder for my phone, and I also have a LED light on top with a mic, so hopefully the audio and quality is a little bit better now. Like I said, this isn't permanent, but it's just until I can get a better camera, but it works pretty good, so I guess we'll see.
Hey, yo, welcome. Hello.
So this is the lot we come to. It's all open. You can see there's a ton of marks on the ground. Pretty far away from any main roads. I mean, that just leads out and no one comes down here. But it's a good spot and it's pretty open, and then you can park over there so you don't get hit if someone's coming around right here. So one of the guys that I was with, Ricardo, the one that was drifting the crap out of his Miata over here, he got some pretty cool video of me swinging this thing. So you guys are gonna get to see the 240 drift, and my tires are about to pop. I'm shoeing wire. I just flipped them, so I'm getting double life as of right now, but still should probably change them out in the near future. Just noticed something. My freaking pipes are melting on my body kit. So that's cool. Uh-oh.
It's gonna kill us.
Wait, kill it, kill it, kill it. Something's leaking.
Really?
You're leaking fuel.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shoot. Pop your head.
That ain't good.
That's why you leave your car like yours. You don't break stuff.
Pumping out fuel from that.
How? Yeah. So you don't leak. Oh!
Yeah, fuel slippery, I guess.
Looks like it's oil.
That's just dirt.
It's dirty.
No, it's easy fix.
Yeah, it's just that.
A little bit of gas.
There it is.
Is it leaking anything else?
No, I'm pretty sure that's all.
You sure it's down? I don't want the hood to pop open.
SR20's alive.
Hey! That was pretty good. I was gonna countersteer, dude. It's a steering wheel. Okay. Wait a minute.
If you guys want to follow any of the dudes in my video, you can find their Instagrams in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was kind of just thrown together, no real order, but it's out there. You guys got to see a little bit about what we do on the weekends, and there's more to come. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.